my channel. I missed you. I hope you missed me. Today I'm really excited because I'm doing a lot of color. Now I know color is intimidating. Color is threatening. We all like to stay with our browns, our neutrals, you know, play it safe. I think we're gonna have some fun today because I want to show you how to do an everyday look using color, using only color. And I think that it's going to be really surprising for a lot of people who don't normally play with color. So I'm kind of excited to see you guys try it out for yourselves, or if you guys try it out for yourselves and how you like it. And then secondly, I'm going to do a fun, super glam, hot pink look. Okay, now what are we using today? Everyone's wondering. Today, I am using the Huda Beauty Neon Obsessions palette. This is the pink one, because if you haven't figured that out already, I'm a very pink person. If you couldn't tell by my background, I'm gonna show you how color can be accessible. So let's just get started. As you can see, I already have a full face on. We're just going to be focusing on the eyeshadows today. I'm gonna start by priming my eyes with the MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot in the shade Soft Ochre. So I'm just gonna use, I actually believe this is a concealer brush, and I'm just gonna go right in. Okay, and then I think I'm gonna use a fluffy brush, and we're gonna go into this lilac shade right here. Now see, we're just easing into this with like a light wash of purple. We're not going crazy. There's no weird colors. We're doing well. But now I do want to add a color that you wouldn't necessarily expect, which is like the very light peach. This one. And I just want to add it to the outer space between where we blended out our purple and our eyebrow, because I just think it's going to give it just like a little bit more of a tropical look that could be kind of fun. So let's try it. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go in to, I think, this middle shade first, just with my finger, and I'm just gonna pat it all over the center of the lid. So I like using my fingers for these types of glitters just because I feel like the oil in your skin, the oil in your fingertips really just helps the glitter bind to the primer. And then I think we're gonna go into this bottom lilac one right here, again with our finger, and then this is just gonna go into the inner corner. And I think I might use the same one just for a little bit of highlight as well, so I'm gonna go ahead just again with my finger. Now I'm going to do just kind of a little baby wing. I'm not going to do anything crazy. I'll show you guys. It's kind of just going to go out a little bit, and then the liner will probably end up about halfway in the middle of our eye. But I'm using Tarte's Sex Kitten Liquid Liner. Let's do it. And when I mess up my liner, is I just take a little bit of the paint pot, I take a concealer brush, dip right into the paint cut, and kind of just straighten out the line, if you can see where I covered over with the paint pot. And then I'm just going to use the same brush. I'm actually going to go into the Huda Beauty with the brush, just for a more precise application. It was this one in the middle. And then you can just straighten out any little bugs after you cover over. And there you go. Okay, and now we have our eyeliner. For my everyday look, I'm not going to do any lashes. I'm just going to do mascara. So I'm going to go ahead and use my favorite, which is the L'Oreal Voluminous Superstar X Fiber Waterproof Mascara. On one side it has a primer, which is black, and then the other side is a black mascara. So the way that I do my eyelashes kind of is psycho. I do 3 coats of the primer and then 3 coats of the mascara because it just really gives you such an amazing like lash extension type of look. So this is my go-to. I'm a little crazy about it, but hey, you'll see for yourself. And they're even labeled, so it's like number 1, primer, number 2, mascara. So you already know. I'm just gonna go ahead and start with the primer again. This is coat 1. See, this is just primer. And then I'm gonna go in with number 2, the mascara. This is coat number 1. But see, this is like 3 coats of primer, 3 coats of mascara, and it looks like I'm wearing eyelash extensions. I swear, this is my go-to. Next, to complete our lip look, I am going to be using a Fenty Beauty Poutsicle. I promised you guys this one last time, so I figured might as well give you what I told you I was going to give you. But we aren't going to be using it as like pigmented as it is. So I'm just going to kind of pat this on my lips very lightly because I want the eyes to kind of be the focus, and this will just kind of give you like a little bit of like a juicy look. And here is our quick everyday look. Super cute, right? And it's totally manageable, it's totally doable, so try it out, tell me what you think. Okay guys, so now I'm back. I have a little bit of a fuller face on. I have a heavier foundation, a little bit of a heavy concealer because I really want to do just an all-out glam using this palette because I've seen so many different looks and I want to do my own, so I'm gonna do my own. And I live for these moments, so let's do it. So definitely when you're going to do full face looks, make sure that you always prime. I'm going to go ahead and use the same primer. So first, to get this eyeshadow look started, I'm going to use just an eyeshadow brush from Sephora. It kind of has, you know, a very dense tip because we are going to go first right into this peachy color up here. And we're just going to start to pack her into the corner. And then I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush and just blend out the corners. Slightly more orange shade over here and kind of just pack this orange a little bit more into the crease and the corner. And then I'm going to blend out the edges. I'm going to take this Sephora Precision Smudge Brush and I'm going to take it right into this hot pink. And again, we're just building out this corner. And let's buff out those edges. we are going to go again with the same pointed brush into this darker purple over here. And again, we're still building out this corner. We want it to be beautiful and deep and rich, not just like this bright pink mess I have right now. But it's okay, it'll all work out, I promise you, just wait for it. But again, take the purple directly into the corner. And now we can start actually also just taking it below the lash line. Just start with the purple. I mean, like, these pigments don't lie. Like, we're doing really well. And again, take your fluffy brush. I'm actually gonna go into the pink just a little bit with the fluffy brush so it has some color, and then we're gonna blend it out. Now I'm going to start blending with a more tapered brush. I'm going to go back into this purple and just keep adding dimension. And then I'm going to go back into the hot pink and kind of help out this under eye a little bit. And then lastly, we can take this little peachy and kind of put her in this corner. And now I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and clean up these corners because I want it a little bit sharper. And I think I'm going to play with this one and this top one on the center of my eyelid. But first I want to cut my crease a little bit. So I'm actually going to use the MAC Paint Pot and go in with a concealer brush and just slowly tap to create the shape I want. So now that we've created this space for our glitters to go, I'm going to go ahead into this hot pink one down here just directly with my finger. And this is just going to go all over the center of the lid. And I'm going to use the tapered brush. I'm going to go back into this pink and just kind of blend out where we put the glitter. And I do want this corner a little darker, so I'm going back into this purple and we're just adding it back in. Tapered fluffy brush. And then I'm going to go directly back in with my finger into this top glitter up here. And she's going to be the inner corner. Okay guys, so this is our final eyeshadow. I'm going to go put on some liner and lashes and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back with liner and lashes. And for those interested, I'm using Lily Lashes in Mink Mykonos. And then I think I want to bring some more color into the cheeks with this look. I'm just going to use a more tapered brush and like lightly hit this pink and just use it as a little bit of blush. Lastly, I'm going to do my lips. first I'm gonna line them using a MAC lip pencil in the shade Talking Points. I'm just going to top it off with the MAC Dazzleglass in the shade Like Magic. I'm just going to dab the Dazzleglass right in the center. And this is our full face, full glam product using the Neon Obsessions palette in pink. I am absolutely obsessed with these pigments. Like, I just can't stop staring at these colors. I think they're really, really pretty together. I think that this is a very, just overall, very cohesive look. I'm really happy with how this came out. I thought I would show you guys how to do an everyday look with this gorgeous palette, but also a super glam one. I just wanted to show you that these colors can take you from day to night, that they aren't exclusive to either, and it's just, I had so much fun with this look. Like, there's nothing else I can say besides I had fun and I feel cute, and that's about it. I love you guys, and I want to thank you so much for supporting my channel. I'm just having so much fun doing this, and I'm hoping that you're having so much fun watching me. So hit like, hit subscribe, tell me what you liked, tell me what you didn't like. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you next time.